So it's so good to have you here, and today I'm gonna pick the one best thing from international skincare brands. So yeah, let's start. And I have done similar things with Indian skincare brands and Korean skincare brands. You may find the videos to be helpful. The first brand I have is Bioderma, and from Bioderma I'm gonna pick their Sika Bio cream. So if my skin barrier is damaged, my skin is not healing, if I get like very bad reaction, I know this is one thing that's gonna help me out when nothing would work for my skin. I love this so much. It helped my skin so much. There are times my skin became like really bad. I got bad reaction from like skincare products, or just overall, like sometimes when the season changes we get skin reaction, all that. And this Sika Bio helped me so much. So yeah, it has to be my most favorite thing from Bioderma. And the next brand I have is Neutrogena, and from them I'm gonna pick their Hydro Boost Emulsion. Oh god, the cream is so nice. If you're looking for hydrating cream, then you can go for it. This is the fragrance-free version. Their gel cream, the Hydro Boost gel, is, I think it has fragrance, but this emulsion, it doesn't have fragrance, but it doesn't have the texture of emulsion, because emulsions, they have more like of a lotiony kind of a texture, but this one is kind of gel cream, so yeah. But yeah, I really like this one from Neutrogena. And the next brand I have, I forgot. Okay, Simple. So from Simple I'm gonna pick their SOS gel. Another great thing when your skin is angry, if you have textures, nothing is suiting your skin, you can try this gel, because it soothes the skin just like that. No nonsense formula. If you like gel formulations, you're gonna like this SOS gel. A very good pick from Simple. And the fourth thing I have, what's wrong with me, I'm forgetting this time. Okay, Cetaphil. So okay, from Cetaphil I'm gonna pick their brightening night cream. So I tried their BHR range, I tried their day cream, night cream, then toner and body lotion, and I really love the night cream. So yeah, very good thing. I think the best thing I've tried from Cetaphil. No nonsense moisturizer. You can use this during the daytime as well. It has good amount of niacinamide, great texture, very good moisturizer. Alright, next I have L'Oreal. I like their makeup stuff. Skincare, from skincare, only thing that I liked is their this one, what do you call it, this hyaluronic acid serum. Yeah, this one is very nice. Also they have one eye makeup remover, that one is quite nice. I mostly like their makeup. Skincare may, yeah, I only like these two things. If I have to pick one, I'm gonna pick the hyaluronic acid serum. It was a very no nonsense hydrating serum, but I have read comments that many people, they got reaction from this serum, but it didn't give me the reaction, fortunately. So yeah, next brand I have is the Body Shop. Again, from Body Shop, I don't like their facial care products that much. They gave me horrible breakouts. I made this video a long time back. You might find this to be helpful, but I love their body care stuff, their lip care stuff, but face care, not that much. They are expensive and didn't work well for me. And I'm telling you, my skin, oh god, I can't even tell you, my skin was damaged, it was getting frequent breakouts. Just I don't like their facial care stuff that much, but yeah, I'm open to trying. If they have new good things, or if I have missed any good things, let me know if you like anything from the Body Shop. But yeah, they have really awesome body care, then lip care stuff. Even the perfumes are very nice. They smell really nice, but they don't last that long. That's the only issue with their perfume, but they smell heavenly. And if I have to pick one thing from the Body Shop, it has to be their Shea Butter lip balm. A very good nourishing lip balm, like it very much. And then I have Yves Rocher, and from them I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna pick their hair care range, their repair hair care range. Pick anything from this range. Awesome. Their like shampoo, conditioner, mask, really good. I haven't used their products for a long time. I wonder why. I might go back to their hair care stuff. Even their anti-hair fall shampoo is quite nice. So yeah, Yves Rocher hair care again. Their hair care range is really nice, but their body care I didn't like. I tried their body wash, didn't work for me. Too drying, smells nice but too drying. Body lotion smells nice but doesn't moisturize that well, made my legs itchy. So yeah, I liked only their hair care stuff. Facial care, I think I have not tried anything from their facial care, but their body care I didn't like much. And their body mist doesn't stay for a long time, and I didn't like the smell. I mean, it has this overwhelming alcoholic note. Alright, next I have Avéne, and from them I'm gonna pick their sickle fit emulsion. I can't find this anymore. Like, have they discontinued it? It was so nice, you know. Sickle fit emulsion, again very good soothing lotion. I tried their cream as well, that was good, but I love that emulsion more, but I can't find it anymore. Sad. Now I have sebamed, and from sebamed I'm going to try this clear gel. So again, if you're looking for a no nonsense clear formulation that can hydrate your skin, you can give it a try. I also used to use their moisturizer a lot. They have this moisturizer in this palm packaging, but the shampoo didn't work for me. I tried their again that hair fall control shampoo, something like that, made my hair dry so much. Oh god, it was horrible. Spoke about this here, very bad experience. Like, I tried it long time back but still can't forget, you know. Oh my god, it was bad time, bad hair day, and the shampoo is quite expensive. And the last brand I have is Pixi, and from Pixi I'm gonna pick their, I'm gonna cheat, it's not skincare, but I'm not that, like, you know, into their skincare. I'm gonna pick their skin tint. I love it, my most favorite skin tint ever. So lightweight, doesn't feel cakey, didn't like bother my skin, like didn't give me any irritation, makes my skin look better. I love it. I use the shade 2 nude, works really well for me. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. Do you want me to do one series where I'm going to talk about the worst thing I have tried from each brands? I can do that. I can be like mean to the brands if you want me to. Because yeah, then I'm gonna make only one video. Okay, I'm gonna like talk about all the brands, like 30-40 brands, and the worst things I have tried from them. So yeah, if you want that, let me know. So yeah, I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.